How do I know if my thermostat is bad? The clearest sign your thermostat is bad is when your heating or cooling system will not turn on, turns on and off constantly, or the temperature in your home does not match what the thermostat shows on the screen. Think of your thermostat like the brain of your heating and cooling system. It tells the furnace or the air conditioner when to turn on and when to turn off based on the temperature you choose. When that brain gets confused or breaks down, your whole house can feel too hot, too cold, or just plain uncomfortable no matter what you do. Something a lot of people do not know is that thermostats can get tricked by loose wires or a buildup of dust behind the display, which makes them read the temperature wrong even though the thermostat itself is not actually broken. Another hidden trick is checking if your thermostat uses batteries, because a dying battery can cause a blank screen or strange behavior that looks like a much bigger problem than it really is. If you notice your system running for a really long time without ever reaching the temperature you picked, that is often a sign the thermostat is not communicating correctly with your equipment. A simple test you can try at home is changing the temperature by a few degrees and listening for a click, which tells you the thermostat is actually sending a signal to your system. A lot of people assume that if the screen is lit up, the thermostat must be working perfectly. But that is not always true, so it helps to test it by adjusting the temperature and confirming your system actually responds. Another common mistake is blaming the thermostat right away when the real problem is a tripped breaker or a dirty air filter, so it is smart to check those simple things first before replacing anything. People also forget that older thermostats can lose accuracy over time, showing a reading that is off by several degrees, so comparing it to a separate room thermometer once in a while is a great habit to catch that early. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.